Okay, I got the forged body mostly done, so I think I'm gonna make some doors. I seen a guy on YouTube, obviously, Purgatory Ironworks, and he made forged doors that were on rollers that actually rolled out of the way. So I took it upon myself to go buy some rollers. I'm going to see if I can weld up some sort of angle iron contraption to hold these bricks and make it go on there. So that's the next thing. Okay, I've got my fire brick little cage welded up. I'm going to cut a couple of these, bent them over. I'm going to weld those tabs on, and I've got this angle iron. It's going to stick out one way or another, and then I think if I poke, put a hole in this, weld the tab on, drill a hole in it, mount it to this. That's the idea. So I'm going to figure out where I want to mark, where I want to drill these holes. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so I got my box built. Got these tacked on. These wheels. Tacked a piece of angle iron so it sticks out on board. I think that'll do. I guess I'm gonna weld a handle onto it and make one for the front. Okay, I got this front door somewhat welded together. I think instead of opening it one direction like the back door, I think I'm gonna have them separate, so this one can open this way and this one can open this other way. So I'm going to have to put 2 wheels on each brick, and I designed some sort of contraption for that. So like I say, I got 4 of them, 2 for each door, and I think I just, these 2 middle ones flat stock. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing in half. Cut in half. So, one fire brick each. Go ahead and put these wheels on. Wheels on. Both of them. Probably cut this to length and tack it on. Okay, I got my angle iron just tacked on there. Center, either side. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's going to do just fine. Front doors for the forge. Okay, I drill some holes and put these on for stops so that the door just doesn't fall off at the end. I'm bitching. Welded nails on this one. I think I like that idea better. But that seems to work until my tack welds come off. Guess I'm welding some more. I'm thinking I really like how these front doors turned out. So I'm going to cut this in half and try and emulate the front doors on the back door as well. Okay, so cut the back doors in half. Same idea as the front. Okay, so maybe fashion some handles for these, see what that looks like. Got some very high temperature flame proof header paint, rated at 2000 degrees. It's for the doors and the outside of the forge, so I think that should hold up. So I've got the forge taken apart again. My doors are hanging. So I'm going to give it a good spray. At least 2 cans worth. Okay, I've got the thing painted up. I've got those 3 fire bricks sitting in there. Let's see if we can get some light in it. There we go. There's 3 fire bricks on the bottom, and the entire thing is encased in refractory fire brick and K-wool. Got the entire thing painted with this very high temperature paint. Front doors are on. I did not weld handles on there. I was going to, but the doors kept getting wonky. So I figured I would just push them around with my tongs or whatever I was working on. Light this thing up again. I had a buddy of mine at a trophy shop make me this. I'm going to attach it to there. It's going to be cool. Got mine placard marked, ready to go. Serial number 1, 2, burner, box, forge. That's what we're going with. I'm going to rivet this to the side of the forge. Let's see what that looks like. Got it lit. Looks like the burners are burning relatively even. Go ahead and close it up again. Okay, I think this is about it. Again, all of my forges are still running on propane. Same regulator. Went through this whole situation with 3 style burners. 2 burner forge. It's got doors on it. Not fancy with it. Been running for about 20 minutes, I think, or so. My fire bricks at the bottom. 2 front doors are looking pretty sexy. Getting hot in there. Just about do it. So if you guys have any questions about anything, I think I went over everything pretty well. But if you do happen to have questions, put them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.